welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make some sandwich Khaman Dhokla. Khaman Dhokla, as you're probably aware, is a dish which originated in Gujarat but has become popular all around India. In fact, it is eaten all around the world. It is a good source of protein as it's made from gram flour, and as you have noticed probably, I use very little oil or fat in my recipes, thus making it healthy. I'm going to change the recipe a little bit to make it a little more interesting and a lot more tastier. If you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take 300 ml of gram flour in a bowl. Add table salt to taste and 2 teaspoons of lemon salt. Mix it well and add water a little at a time to make a floury consistency as shown. Cover and keep aside for 15 minutes. Then divide into 2 portions. One portion, mix it well to make it foamy and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and again mix it well. Put a metal stand in a pan and pour water to just cover it. Bring the water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the prepared gram flour mixture with turmeric. Add 2 tablespoons of water to activate the baking soda and then stir vigorously to make a frothy broth as shown. Pour it onto a greased tray and put it in the pan over the boiling water. Cover and steam for 20 minutes. Get out the green chutney with garlic that you have prepared. A link to the recipe is below. The dhokla should have got set in 20 minutes. Spread the green chutney over it as shown. Now take the other gram flour mixture that you've kept aside. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it and again add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it thoroughly to form a foamy mixture. Spread that over the dhokla and green chutney. Sprinkle with red chilli flakes as shown and steam for a further 20 minutes, after which it should get set. Then cut it into pieces of desired shape and size as shown. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon each of mustard, cumin and sesame seeds. When it splutters, add the chopped green chillies and curry leaves. Saute for a minute and then add 150 ml of water to it. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and bring it to a boil nicely. Then pour it over the prepared dhokla and spread it evenly all over. Garnish with coconut flakes and coriander leaves as shown. Serve it along with further green chutney. I have taken a transverse picture to show how it looks like a sandwich and is called sandwich Khaman Dhokla.